Building the SS2K internal shifter cable. That cable goes from the PCB board, the 3-pin JST-XH connector, and then it's going to go down to this 3.5mm headphone jack, female jack, and that's the one that externally plugs into your shifter cables. So this guy right here, that'll go on the outside of the case at some point. Stuff that you're going to need is obviously the 3.5mm headphone cable, and I like to take and put the nut on these right away so that you don't lose it. You'll need 3 of the pins for the JST-XH connector. You'll need the 3-pin JST-XH connector. Stripper, not that kind of stripper, you know who you are. Crimper that comes with the crimping kit. And the soldering iron, obviously, because we're going to be doing some soldering, some solder, and you don't absolutely need it, but some of these third-hand things help a little bit. The cable that I like to use, since we have so much of it left over from these steppers, is just this cable here. Only thing is, we have an extra wire, so we'll just take and strip that 4th wire off, and I've found just 6 inches is what you need. That fits about perfect in the case, not too short, not too long. So measure out 6 inches, just take and cut it. And then each end of this we're going to take and separate the wires and strip it. The one wire that goes on the 3.5mm connector, whatever side, doesn't matter, pick one, helps if you take and just make that a little bit shorter, because that middle pin is a little bit longer if you see it there. So if this is shorter, that helps everything kind of fit on there better. All right, next step then is to take and crimp our JST-XH connectors on this side. Process is pretty much the exact same as before. I'm going to take off these stupid gloves because I can't feel anything with them on. All right. Crimped that one too short. There we go, then we just need to do the same thing as we did with the other connectors. Find the side with the detents and just push them in there. And this connector doesn't matter which side is which. The only thing that matters with it is that the middle terminal here, in our case the green wire, is going to the middle here. These two outer ones can be flip-flopped however they need to be. So, perfect. There's the cable.